Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to show you a car that you will not believe when you see it. Greetings from Rogers, Minnesota and Ellingson Motorcars. Today we're going to talk about our latest addition to our sales inventory. It's a 1979 Trans Am TA 6.6 with only 14,000 actual original miles. One family owned since brand new. It's one of those cars that people look at and say, no, that can't possibly be original paint, original interior, everything. Yes, it actually is, with only 14,000 miles. And this person, when they ordered the car, we have all the paperwork to go with it as well. He knew how to order it. It came with the big 6.6. He bought the 4-speed transmission. He's got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. This car is absolutely as pristine, almost as better than when it came off the showroom floor. When people take a look at the big Phoenix on the hood, I mean, that sets you apart. You know this is a Trans Am, and the 6.6 liter markings on the side of the hood scoop. You know this car was meant for business when it was new. Another interesting development on the car is the fact it does have its original tires, the original Goodyear Polysteel Radial tires on the factory snowflake rims, which is absolutely unheard of in this day and age to find one this well taken care of. We were told from the gal that her husband, when he bought the car, knew it never was driven in the rain. He never drove it in the winters. It was babied and pampered from day one. Beautiful red cloth interior, bucket seat interior, and again, like I said, all original interior in terms of the turned steel stainless dash, the 4-speed manual transmission, which is really kind of a rarity in these days and age. Other than that, it is absolutely as it came from the factory with all the correct TA striping and spoilers and all the stuff that makes it special. In the trunk, even if you look in the trunk online, it has its original space saver spare jack and inflator. I mean, how many of those do you see? So if you really are looking for something to add to your collection, something that absolutely is as pristine as we could possibly find, very few comparables in this condition in the country, we've got it right here at Ellingson's on our floor right now. We have close to 100 cars and trucks, things of original cars. We have resto mods, you name it, we've got it here. Close to 100, as I said. You can come and visit them in person if you're so inclined. We are open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Love to have you come in. We'll show you around and you can take a closer look. If you don't have that opportunity, you can visit our website, www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you can find all of our inventory, all the descriptions, and the videos of all our vehicles that are currently for sale. We have another option. If you're looking, you could go to Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram as well, where we also have a lot of our inventory on site. So take a look. I'm sure there's going to be something. If you're looking to add to your collection, you want your first collectible car, and almost like what it was brand new in 1979, we have the perfect car for you right here at Ellingson's.